I'm very pleased to say that the government of Japan has committed to provide 184,000 US dollars for the procurement of 2 new cooler trucks under the project for provision of cooler trucks to Fiji Pharmaceutical and Biomedical Services Center. This project is a part of our continued commitment in assisting the Ministry of Health and Medical Services for the strengthening of its health service delivery. Japan has been assisting Fiji in this area through such construction projects as the Fiji Pharmaceutical and Biomedical Services Center, Fiji Nursing School, Fiji School of Medical and Children's Ward in CWM Hospital. The vaccination cold chain plays a critical role in vaccine storage and transportation, and now it is becoming more important than ever before as the entire world races to get COVID-19 vaccination.
This enormous support by the government of Japan continues to strengthen the country's supply chain capacity for the distribution of cold chain items such as vaccines, medicines, and laboratory reagents around the country. It's another great achievement considering the huge support provided through the construction of the Fiji Pharmaceutical and Biomedical Services in 2002 with the support from the Japanese government. Rightfully, the provision has come at an exciting moment to support the distribution of COVID-19 vaccine anticipated to arrive in the country soon. In addition, the Ministry of Health in Fiji lately included 3 new vaccines through its expanded immunization program, and this support will further strengthen that space. And as I've alluded to, not necessarily just COVID-19 vaccines, but the other vaccines that requires cold chain. These trucks will ensure the delivery of vaccines, medical supplies, and laboratory reagents to the allocated health facilities accessed by roads without disrupting the cold chain process, and ensure the effectiveness of the potency remains intact. With expansion in the cold chain programs such as immunization, it is critical that the standards of cold chains is maintained to recognize the standard as specified by WHO. The Minister of Health and the Government of Fiji also recognize the ongoing support from the government and the people of Japan, and trust this will elevate the services towards patient care to another level. The Fijian government will continue to display resilience in protecting everyone in this difficult, challenging pandemic period. And at the same time, we will continue to work hard through our remodeling framework to reach the hard-to-reach places. In conclusion, we thank the government and the people of Japan for their never-ending support. We also congratulate the Emperor of Japan for his birthday and the people of Japan, and wish him and his family and the people of Japan all the best and good health throughout this pandemic. And we look forward to working with the government of Japan further in the intervening months and years. Thank you.